Here's a quick little video on how to change colors. What you're going to do is the stitch before you start with the new color, you're going to work to the last yarn over and you're going to do the yarn over with your new color versus the original. So you can see I've worked to the last double crochet on this row, and then I'm finishing the last bit of this double crochet with my new color yarn. You can see here where I'm pulling on my tails to tighten down the stitches. It's a little wonky working these color changes in because the tension is not quite the same. And now I'm switching back from yellow to blue. And here you can see where I have worked my slip stitch, but I haven't done the last yarn over on the slip stitch. And I've cut the yellow off, done my yarn over with the blue, and then use that to pull through the last two on the slip stitch.